If your phone notifications are not appearing, don't worry, here are some simple fixes you can try. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix notifications not showing on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, check if focus mode or do not disturb is turned on. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Look for the focus or do not disturb icon, and if it's enabled, tap it once to turn it off. If notifications are still not showing, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, under the Display As section, select Stack or your preferred style. Next, tap on Show Previews and set it to Always. This ensures that notification previews are visible on your screen. If the issue continues, try restarting your iPhone. Quickly press Volume Up, then Volume Down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This will refresh your system without deleting any data. Still not fixed? Try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and check your notifications again. They should now be working properly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.